Hey everyone, and welcome to this brand new episode of the Crypto Intel. My name is Mark, and in this episode, we're going to be checking out the IRISnet, which is currently being listed on Binance as Iris. And if you're holding on to this coin, please be sure to subscribe to this channel so that you never ever miss out on any updates regarding the Iris coin. This coin is actually one of these great coins for flippers because it has amazing cycles that are extremely predictable. And at this point, today has been a huge day for it. It has gained 43%. So congrats, guys. Congrats for those of you that were at the bottom, stuck for the past 14 days trying to decide on the price. It has just pumped like crazy. The past 24-hour volume for the trading is $19 million. And by the way, guys, I trade since 2017. So I do anywhere from 30 to 40 trades a day. And I do anywhere from 1 to 2% on a flip. And I definitely want to teach you guys how to do that because it can bring in 30 to 40% in a single day without even holding, just by flipping. So guys, if you want to teach yourself how to do that, be sure to hit that subscribe button so that you never miss out on any updates that I do for the flipping also. All right, guys, so let's get back into it. So it's currently being traded at 11 cents. All right, so and well, that's not bad for a coin, right? Like most coins are basically around $3 or $5. And this is one of these coins that is still rather affordable. It was actually at 80 cents not too long ago, actually today. So it then peaked like crazy. So we will actually get into why it peaked and try to understand exactly what the hell is going on. So first of all, we need to understand what is the IRISnet, and it's an interchain service hub for decentralized applications. Basically, what they mean is that IRISnet is a blockchain infrastructure that serves as a communication relayer for other blockchains and, of course, their applications. The project has raised approximately $22 million via private token sales. So they did an ICO and it went really great for them. So they go on and say that the core development team of the IRISnet includes Bianchi and Tendermint. So already two companies that are rather well known. Then they go on to say, built with the Cosmos software development kit, Iris Hub is designed to support not only token transfers across different blockchains, but also to allow for the consumption of data and computing resources across heterogeneous systems. So that's great, right? Because right now blockchains, they have trouble communicating with each other. When you create your own coin, your own blockchain, well, in order to talk with tokens from the Ethereum blockchain, you have to have some sort of a bridge. And there's a lot of cryptocurrencies that are trying to do that. And they do that by raising ICOs, getting money, and trying to create these different platforms. So the IRISnet blockchain utilizes a bonded proof of stake consensus mechanism. BPOS is a form of delegated proof of stake consensus mechanism that allows stakers with more tokens to earn additional rewards. So this is great, right? Because there's also tokens out there that rely on people holding on to the coins, and others simply by proof of well, this was actually proof of stake, and this is the delegated proof of stake. So it's quite similar. Basically, you hold the coin and you prove to others that you are a holder as a founder. So you trust the coin, and you're not letting it go. So others will actually believe that it will be stable, and the founders won't be dumping their 50% coins in one day, and everyone else gets to lose their value like crazy. So the interoperability supported by IRISnet is sustainable for applications requiring off-chain and inter-chain information exchange and collaboration. Examples include privacy-preserving healthcare data exchange, interchain marketplace, digital asset exchange for supply chain finance, and more. So definitely, uh, they're talking about the the interoperability that is supported by this blockchain, which is great, right? Because you definitely need this inter-exchange between different blockchains, as I mentioned earlier. Sorry, but so Iris is the native asset of the IRISnet blockchain, and this is what is currently being traded. For example, on Binance right here is the Iris. So they go on to say it is used to for delegating and staking, for the consensus mechanism, paying for transaction fees and smart contract executions, as well as creating and voting for governance proposals. So definitely they have a structure set up so there's no fraud between the different members. So this is definitely a great coin. Also, if we have a look on their website, they're currently celebrating their second anniversary of Mainnet Lunch. So this is really great. Great innovations. You can check out their website. Like, I'm not gonna go too much into details, but it looks like there's really good news on their Twitter account. So last week, as the contributor behind Cosmos China, participated in ACashNet China Flash Mob as a guest to introduce the latest Cosmos updates to the Chinese community, such as the IVC gang in the decentralized finance and non-fungible tokens. Check out the full recap right here. So, there's a little bit of movement going on, and I guess at this point, traders are actually getting excited. And this is an interesting phenomenon to see in real time because when there's a pump going on, as you can see, this is a major pump. Some investor, this is an investor that purchased so 129 million tokens, which basically means, if you do the calculation, let me do the calculus for you. So 129, well, whatever. Let me just put in like this, and then like that times. So someone just purchased $14 million worth of this coin. So this is definitely great. You gotta wrap your head around this. In the past hour, someone just purchased $14 million worth of this coin, and this is why it bumped all the way from the 7 to 16 cents. So it 2x'd in value. So definitely a great opportunity. It's going to be bouncing on and off. Right now, here's the thing, right? Unfortunately, if you buy in, the next few minutes, you're gonna lose a lot of money because this is the way crypto works. Look, it's going straight for this line, and someone got it. There's gonna be a breaking point extremely soon. So somewhere around the let me just move this thing around. Yeah, so somewhere around the 8 cent, it's gonna rise, and someone really didn't want to miss out. So 14 million bucks worth of this coin, probably either, like, I don't want to accuse anyone, but someone knows something, something that we don't. But keep in mind that there's definitely all of these very interesting cycles that are extremely predictable right now because it's in a flat bed and it's almost hit. You see its support level right here at the 4 cent mark. So sorry, 3 cent mark. Someone got it at a very high price. So it's probably going to, he knows that something's going to happen. So unfortunately, like today, people are still going to get some losses because he's going to actually be selling some of his coins. But it's very dangerous right now. So basically, this means something. It means that they're ready for an upcoming blow up, at least for the next blow up in the coming. Wow, 14 million. I'm still shocked, guys. Like, it's rare that you see this. Like, on a one single day, 14 million purchase for an altcoin. Like, yeah, it's probably some millionaire there is like, you know what? Boom, there you go, 14 million bucks. I know this thing's gonna blow up because he already seen it blowing up right here. So it's probably going to reach its next support level over here, and he's probably going to be doing the sales over there. So definitely, it's a danger because when there's a pump like this, there's basically a dump. If this thing doesn't work out for him, he's gonna dump all of his coins and he's gonna lose value. So it's really risky to get in on the coin right now. Let me just zoom in so that you see what exactly is happening. So let's go in for the 5 minute mark. Okay, so even 3 minute mark. Whoa. Yeah, this is rather incredible. 2x in just 5 minutes. Definitely something's going on. Okay, so when these things happen, traders are extremely aware of this because you can see that it's mostly a buy. It's not a sell, right? There's not a lot of sell volume on this coin. And what's gonna happen is probably there's gonna be people that are gonna try to negotiate it on the uptrend, and then, well, this becomes extremely unpredictable. But normally, when there's an uptick like this, it gains in value over the coming days, and people are gonna start buying in. Um, for example, let me show you what I mean. So, it stabilized like crazy since quite a fall, and we're talking about this fall right here. Normally, when there's a fall that is starting to stabilize, well, what happens is people start negotiating the price upwards, and then there's this blow up in a day, and then it gets to the middle, and then investors aren't really sure on what's going to happen next, and then it might keep on going up. It really depends on the price of the Bitcoin. So guys, anyways, be careful right now, but this is definitely a coin to watch for if a millionaire is actually getting in the order books. Well, it basically means that someone's looking up for this coin, and there's definitely some information regarding this coin that we don't know about that is extremely positive. So just be careful. It's a pump. It's definitely one of these pumps. So there could be a dump. There might be waiting for approximately 16 million worth of purchases, and then is the time when they're gonna do their $14 million purge, because a $14 million purchase versus a $16 million buy from other traders. Well, you can see that this person generates approximately 20% on his 14 million, and that's how they make money. Maybe not 20%, sorry, like let's say 10 or 15%, whatever. You just do the math. 16, divide that by 14, and you see the difference. So basically, this guy's gonna wait for the upcoming purchase orders. So definitely a coin to watch out for if you're having the Iris in your trading assets. Be sure to subscribe, because I will be giving you updates. Guys, this coin is on an uptrend, and if the Bitcoin is going to stabilize, it's going to keep on pumping yet again up to its next level. So this is my prediction. It will be hitting very soon, anywhere from 11 to 15 cents, because of this huge mega pump. So just be careful, because of the pump, it might dump. Guys, this is my advice, and I'm not a financial advisor. If you like this video, please like this content, and you can also support me on my Patreon if you like what I'm talking about in my different videos, and also you can book some one-on-one time with me in the link below. All right, guys, so see you in the next episode. Cheers.